Hello there. This was shared with me so I could share it with you. And this is a Craftsman V20. And it is just a nice little handheld vac. So you can use it in your house, in your shop, in your car, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to get this open and show you. So it is packed nicely here. We've got all of that, instructions, and then here is, oh my goodness, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Check that out. That's awesome. So we can just take it out of its plastic here. And wow, that is a big little machine. So you can get the 20 volt Craftsman or 20 volt Craftsman compatible batteries. So we're going to give that a try here. Here is our Craftsman vacuum. And we are just going to put this right here on the back like this. There we go. Now we'll turn it on. Tree leaf here. Get off our leaf. Battery works great. Lots of suction there to that vacuum. So check that out.